practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Wow, Jake, I feel like I just walked into a restaurant and I'm already hungry.
Same here, Anna. Just saying the word restaurant makes my stomach say, hello, food.
Seriously, and today's topic is perfect because everyone eats, right? Even people on diets, they just eat less and complain more.
True. Today we're doing English conversation at a restaurant. And don't worry, friends, no homework, no exams, just fun English.
Yes, and if you ever feel shy ordering food in English, don't worry. Even Jake once ordered water and got ice cream.
Hey, that waiter misunderstood me, or maybe I was too hungry to speak clearly. Either way, I ate the ice cream. Problem solved.
Okay, let's start our story. Imagine we are walking into a restaurant together.
A nice, cozy restaurant. Smells good, music is soft, and my stomach is already dancing.
Same here. Okay, scene start. Wow, this restaurant looks nice. The lights are warm and the chairs look comfy.
Yeah, and the menu looks big. Big menu means big decisions and big confusion for me.
Don't worry, we'll survive. Let's sit here near the window.
Good idea. I like watching people eat while I wait for my food. It makes me more hungry.
That sounds a little strange, Jake, but okay.
Okay, let's check the menu.
They have pizza, pasta, burgers, and salads. So many choices.
Why do restaurants do this? My brain stops working when I see too many options.
Same. I always say, I'll choose fast, and then I take 10 minutes.
Exactly. Oh, look, the waiter is coming. Smile, Anna, smile.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, hello.
Can we see the menu, please?
Yes, please. And maybe some water. Lots of water.
You sound very thirsty today.
Talking is hard work, okay?
True. Okay, let's look at the menu seriously now.
This burger looks good. It says double cheese. My heart says yes, my stomach says yes, my doctor says no.
Always listen to your stomach. Doctors are scary anyway.
Wow, that's dangerous advice, but I like it.
I think I'll order pasta. Something simple, something safe.
Safe food is good. No surprises. Unlike that time I ordered spicy food and cried for 20 minutes.
Oh no, were you okay?
Yeah, but my mouth still remembers the pain.
Poor Jake. Okay, the waiter's coming back.
Showtime.
Excuse me, we are ready to order.
Yes, I would like one cheeseburger, please.
And I'd like pasta with tomato sauce, please.
Oh, and can I get fries with that?
You said you were on a diet.
I said I think about a diet. That's different.
Okay, and 2 glasses of water, please.
Thank you.
Great, now we wait.
Waiting is the hardest part.
True. So Jake, do you eat out often?
Yes. My kitchen and I are not good friends.
Why?
Because cooking takes time and I get hungry in 5 minutes.
Same here. I open the fridge and hope food magically appears.
Sometimes it works if someone else cooked.
Okay, oh look, our food is coming.
Yes, I can smell it already.
Wow, this pasta looks amazing.
And this burger looks like it belongs in a food commercial.
Careful, don't take pictures. Eat first.
True. Okay, first bite. Wow.
Is it good?
It's very good. My mouth is very happy right now.
My pasta is delicious too. Not too spicy, not too boring. Perfect.
See, good food makes life better.
Totally. So, do you like eating at restaurants or at home?
Restaurants. No dishes, no cleaning, no stress.
Yes, washing dishes is the worst part of life.
I agree. If washing dishes was a sport, I would lose every time.
Oh, slow down, Jake. You're eating too fast.
Sorry, I was very hungry. My food disappeared quickly.
Mine too. I think we're both food lovers.
Definitely. Okay, I think I'm full now.
Same. Should we order dessert?
My stomach says no, but my heart says yes.
Always listen to your heart, but maybe share one dessert.
Good idea. Let's get one chocolate cake.
Perfect choice.
Excuse me, can we get one chocolate cake, please?
And 2 spoons. Sharing is caring.
Exactly.
Wow, this chocolate cake looks amazing.
I think I'm in love with the cake.
Take a bite.
Okay, that's dangerous. I could eat 10 of these.
Same here, but we should stop maybe.
Yeah, maybe after one more bite.
Okay, last bite.
Done. Now I'm very full and very happy.
Me too. Food really changes mood, right?
Yes, I came hungry and tired. Now I'm happy and sleepy.
That's the power of good food and good company.
Oh, that was sweet.
Okay, let's ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Thank you.
Okay, let's split it.
Sure, fair and easy.
Done. That was a great meal.
Yes, and a great English practice too.
See, learning English can be fun and tasty.
All right, friends, that was our restaurant conversation today.
Yes, simple English, real life, and a lot of food talk.
If you enjoyed this, try using these sentences next time you go to a restaurant.
And don't worry about mistakes. Even I make mistakes. A lot.
Practice a little every day, and your English will get better slowly.
Just like cooking, practice makes perfect. And sometimes delicious mistakes happen.
Haha, thank you for listening to Practice English Speaking.
We hope you smiled, learned something, and maybe got a little hungry.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. And don't forget, enjoy your food and your English.